Today, we are diving into one of the most exciting and essential concepts in Python programming loops. Loops are like canvases or money of code. They keep going and going until you tell them to stop. They help us automate repetitive tasks, making our programs more efficient and concise. So let's jump right in and explore the wonderful world of loops in Python. For loops. Imagine you have a stack of postcards and you want to mail one to each of your friends. Instead of writing each address manually every time, wouldn't it be great if you could automate the process? That's where for loops come in handy. The basic syntax for loop in Python is as follows. For item in collection and do something with these items. Insert for loop. Let's say we have a list of pet names like this. Buddy, Mitten, Shadow, Luna. And we want to greet each pet. So for every pet in pets. So it says hello buddy, hello mittens and so on. This is how for loop works. Wasn't that easier than greeting each pet individually? I did not write each statement 4 times, right? That's how for loop works, automating it. Next, using range in for loops. Sometimes you might want to loop over a sequence of numbers. Python's range function is perfect for this. Let's print the numbers from 1 to 5. So we use the range 1 to 6. So it will exclude the last number, so that is the reason it printed 1 to 5. So every number in this range got printed. We no need to manually print everything 5 times. Next is step sizes and range. You can also specify a step size in range. Example, print all odd numbers between 1 and 10. To get 1 to 10 numbers, we'll get 1 to 11. But step we have to keep 2. Then we'll get all the odd numbers. And next is while loops. While loops are like a song on repeat. They keep going until the condition you are watching changes. This is how the syntax is while condition and it does something. Let's analyze a simple counter that counts down from 5. Countdown is 5. When now this countdown is greater than 5, it will print the countdown. And we reduce the countdown by 1, means 5 minus 1, that is 4. Still the condition is true. That's how it works. So it prints 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and once the 0 is no more greater than 0, countdown it prints lift off. The loop continues as long as the countdown is greater than 0. Now let's learn break and continue statements. These statements help you control the flow of your loops. Break. The break statement exits the loop immediately. Okay? When one break statement is executed, it exits the loop immediately. Suppose you are searching for the letter E in this word. For Latin word, okay? When our letter is matching with the E, it is finding and breaking. Let's say the name. The continue statement is next. The continue statement skips the current iteration and moves to the next one. So let's keep the number 7. Okay, in the sequence of in the range of 1 to 10. See the output, the number 7 is given. Next is pass statement. The pass statement does nothing. It's a placeholder used when a statement is syntactically required but no action is needed. Example as follows. It does nothing. So nested loops. A nested loop is a loop inside another loop. Like a loop I mean, we can keep a loop and answer and another loops. So let's create a simple grid coordinate system. We have here for loop and another for loop inside a first parent for loop. Here we have given range 1 to 4. Here we have, 1 to 4 means 1 to 3 numbers, okay? Last 4 is excluded. That's how it works. Now we can see the series of for all 1 and x, everything in y, printed along with it 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, and so on. Let's go through some practical examples. Let's apply what we have learned with some these examples. First we'll say summing numbers. We'll calculate the sum of first n natural numbers. If we see here, this mathematical part you can take care of, but how the for loop is working, as today's concept is for loop. Initially, n was 5, right? And plus 1 is 6. 1 to 6. So range will be 1 to 5 numbers. For each number, initially the number will be 1, right? So initially total is 0. So total become 1. Like that, their incrementing is total value. And they're calculating sum of first and next numbers. So whatever value we keep here, it will get it sum here. This is an example of Fibonacci sequence. To generate first n numbers of Fibonacci sequence, if we took 7 here, and this is the for loop, and this is the logic. This is how it is. So next is for all prime numbers. Find all random numbers between 2 and 20. So we'll use the last as 20 or 9. Here we use this example for a for loop and a for loop. And next we'll have looping through dictionaries. So dictionaries is a concept which will for complete, we'll cover up in future videos. And now let's focus on loops. Here we have used as follows. First, name color in favorite colors in the dictionary. Print this. So Ali's favorite, Ali's is this name and color is blue. So this is how it prints. So let's conclude. Loops are like the heartbeat of your programs. They keep things moving and make repetitive tasks a breeze. Whether you are sending personalized emails, processing data, or even creating games, loops are an indispensable tool in your Python project. So go ahead and experiment with loops. Try creating patterns, calculating mathematical sequences, or even building your own mini projects. The more you practice, the more intuitive loops will become. Happy coding!